Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. I'm up at the camper. That means I'm going to do some Dutch oven cooking. This might even be a cast iron Wednesday for you. And we're doing a one-pot chicken dinner. So, doing it all in the Dutch, but it's a pretty easy home-style full chicken dinner. And I'll show you what goes into it. It's really simple with the veggies and the chicken, some spices, and that's it. Let's get to it. So, I have here several chicken thighs. I'm going to take the skin off. I already have my herbs and seasonings together, and I'm going to put that in my herb diffuser for when it goes in the pot. I have my veggies already diced up. I have potatoes, mushrooms, celery, carrots, and onion. And I have my garlic paste. I have my Better Than Bouillon to make my stock. I have a New York winery white wine, Fulkerson's. It's a nice white. Some olive oil and some flour with pepper in it for dredging the chicken. So, I'll show you how we start this off. We're going to get the chicken browned up first, and then we'll worry about adding the vegetables. Now I'm using chicken thighs, and I'm going to remove the skin, and that's pretty easy. You just peel it right off like that. Okay, they're ready to go. Next I'm going to take my Dutch and put that in the fire and get that hot so it's ready to receive the chicken. And I have it in the coals there to warm up. Have some olive oil on the bottom. Next I've got some flour with some pepper, and I'm just going to take my chicken thighs and dredge it in the flour good. And you don't have to worry, this isn't like making fried chicken. You don't have to double batter it or anything else. We're doing this to help it brown up in the Dutch, but then when it goes back in with all the vegetables, it contributes to thickening up the broth, making a nice sauce for it. And last one. Remember, after handling chicken, wash your hands. And you'll notice I'm only using one hand, so I only have to have one hand all chickened up. And we're going to go throw this on our Dutch next. Okay, I'm going to add my chicken. My chicken's browned up, so I'm going to remove it here, this dish. I'm then going to deglaze the bottom with some wine and add our stock. So that's our wine. I'm going to add our vegetables in, like this. And then I have about a pint of chicken stock. I use my Better Than Bouillon chicken stock. Now I'm going to add my little infuser in with the spices, and the spices are garlic powder, salt, pepper, garlic, parsley, sage, rosemary, thyme, 2 bay leaves, and some peppercorns. And I put it in that. If you have fresh herbs, which I did not have at the moment, which would be really nice, then you can put them in cheesecloth and add that like a Bouquet Garni. And I'm going to put the lid on and put more coals on the lid and let her go. My fire master is helping me out here. Mike usually goes and builds my fires while I'm doing other stuff, so I owe my fires to him half the time. Well, most of the time, actually. And she's going to be set for a while. This will probably take about an hour, hour and a half to be fully done. And she's done. So I'm going to pull this off the fire. I'll pull this out first. I had my herbs and stuff in it, and the nice thing is now you can just throw this out. Get all the juice out of it. Put that off to the side. And we're going to get ready to dish it up. It smells really good, especially with the wine. Hard to see with the sun, but there it is. Like I said, it's simple, but it smells really good. And I'll try a piece of the chicken. Oh man, that's good. The white wine really makes it. And the vegetables aren't mushy. They're nice and tender without being mushy. I had it in the fire about an hour. Really simple, one-pot meal. Smoke gets in my eyes. Anyhow, so that's my simple one-pot chicken dinner for a cast iron Wednesday. I'm trying to get back into it. And don't forget to watch the first Tuesday of the month for the stable shelf pantry recipes and build your own cookbook. So that's it. Chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.